Hi guys, welcome back to your channel once again. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about this channel, the future of this channel. इस channel का future क्या होने वाला है क्योंकि अभी 2 दिन पहले मेरे sibling ने कुछ ऐसा बोला. It was so hurtful and at the same time heartbreaking क्योंकि reality भी यही है. He told me that nobody needs gyan these days. You should not create YouTube videos about such things. You should not tell people how to do certain things, or you should not tell people what is right and what is wrong. They know very well. And there are so many content creators these days, and they know how to engage their audiences. They're doing super good editing and stuff. People would rather watch them than watching you. And I thought fair enough, but at the same time my big brother was also there, so he told me that you should do what you're doing, Manu, and you're doing it amazing. Just keep doing it because your YouTube channel is not something what others want from you. It should reflect the person you are. So your YouTube channel is already reflecting that. So I was in a total dilemma because what my younger sibling said was also right, but at the same time was my what my big brother, my cousin told me, it was also the right thing. तो अभी मैं इस dilemma से बाहर निकलने के लिए I just want to say that I don't know, either this YouTube channel is going to be super hit, I can give you 100% guarantee of it, or it is going to be super flop. This YouTube channel, just this YouTube channel. And when I say this, I am not certain about anything. I have plans, I have so many plans, and this time I have the courage also to execute them. So I know the most of the low effort videos that I've created on this YouTube channel, जो भी low effort videos है, like random videos, random stuff, it has got a lot of views, it has got a lot of people to subscribe to my channel, but at the same time जो भी मैंने high maintenance like high effort videos बनाए हैं, like the CV video जहाँ पे मैंने scratch से CV बनाना सिखाया है, not that amount of views and not that amount of subscribers it got me. पूरा scratch से सिखाया सब कुछ. It took me hours and hours of you know practice उस CV के ऊपर, then the hours and hours of editing. बहुत time लगा, बहुत ज़्यादा time लगा, but the the result I got was not satisfactory. I don't know what I want. I don't know what I'm doing. Why I wanted to help people. Why I decided to create this channel, and it's been already more than 3 years. And if I should be specific, it's been more than 8 years on this one channel. I did not create any other YouTube channel ever since the day I've started, and the result was never satisfactory, or maybe I was just pushing my bar a little too much. Maybe the result was what I had expected back then, or maybe what God wanted to give me, because ever since the day I have done these 2 to 3 trips and I have come back, I've realized that there's so much to do in life. There's so much to do. Even if this YouTube channel is not going to be successful, I know one thing for sure, that I am going to be successful. Whether this channel gets successful or not, I know that in my bones. I feel it in my bones already. I will be successful. Whether this channel is going to be one of those channels that I expect it to be, I'm not sure of it. So the only thing that I want to tell you guys and tell myself is that we should just keep going. We should just keep going. The universe, the osmosis, they're watching us. We should just keep going and keep doing what we want to do. We should just let our best self, our brightest self reflect in our videos or in our content. And there's a huge um, problematic thing going on in my head that I want to talk about, which is art versus content. Art versus content. Constantly on my feed, I could see that. And there's this same thing that I want to talk about, but this video is going to be super long, so I'll be talking about it in my next video. Every single artist would relate to it. I'm pretty sure of it. तो मैं उसके बारे में next video में बात करूंगी. About this video, you guys already know what is going on inside my head, what is going on. So let's just be very transparent from now onwards. I'm gonna be super vulnerable whenever the time comes, because I am right now. I am at the very edge of fragility where I could give up any other day. But there was always this one person, or there was always this one thought that kept me going. It could be like sometimes that it was my brother, sometimes other YouTuber friends, sometimes a person from school or my high school friend. Always there was someone. So we will be talking about it more in my upcoming videos. So see you guys, and thank you for subscribing, and thank you for being here. Either it's going to be super super hit, or it's going to be super flop. So let's see what is it going to be, and only time will tell. And I'm pretty sure whatever life has plans, whatever there is for me, it's wonderful. I am sure of that, but not about this channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and keep hydrating yourself. Bye.